What's going on, everyone? Today is August the 10th, 2023. I'm going to try to answer the question, why in the world did Lucid surge about 2 days ago? I know. Many of y'all are going to say, well, because Lucid did came out with earnings. Take a look. Monday, August the 7th, earnings was released in Lucid, and the market from that point went higher. So obviously it had to do something with earnings. No, that's not the case. I want you all to think about this. I got a price prediction on my chart, right? You guys can see it. It's right here. And it goes all the way back to the 21st of July, maybe the 22nd that I did this video. And as you can see, my ultimate TP price on this move to the downside in Lucid was where? That's not by coincidence. The market doesn't move by coincidence. It has purpose. It has reason as to why price moves at certain levels. And the reason that we caught the ultimate bottom in Lucid is not because of earnings. It's because this is where the next level of buyers were positioned. That's why the market surged in Lucid, not because of the earnings. It was because buyers were willing to buy Lucid at that particular price, $6.24. The overall market at that particular moment in time felt that $6.25 was at a discount, and they were right, because since that day after earnings, the market in Lucid right there on August the 8th ended the day up 12%. Now, how did we call the bottom? Like I said, that's where the buyers were. So pretty good call from this prediction. 9.17% move to the downside. It took a while. I give the market credit because they was able to sustain price above this support area. You guys can tell right there around 685. They were successful at holding the market that long, but then eventually it came all the way down to where we suspected it was going to go. Okay, so now what now, right? You're all asking the question, what now? Well, first thing is that it's good for us to now get more confirmation that the support area in the market in Lucid is still here. Okay, you guys can tell, like I said, nothing happens by happenstance. We can even take it all the way back to this time when this massive volume came in on June the 1st. It came down there again the last 2 or 3 days. So those buyers who were here in the beginning of June, guess what? They're still buyers down there again. So this is becoming a very firm area of support. Second thing I like is the fact that price in Lucid is now trading above this other area of support. So you guys can kind of tell that the market is stair-stepping its way to the upside now. We definitely saw selling coming to the market yesterday in Lucid. So this area is not that firm. $6.83, $6.80. This is not a firm support area, as we did see some selling. Now, I would say over the next couple of days or so, as long as Lucid price trades above the 680, then the move to the upside is not over. Okay, so just keep your eyes open on that. Here is Lucid on the 2-day chart. This is fantastic. That's a great 2-day price bar right there. It overcame a lot of selling in order for it to bounce off support at 615 and then inevitably trade above the resistance of 682 to where it closed on the high. Now we got this 2-day price bar, which lets me know that there's still some selling to the market. Here it is on the 3-day chart right there too. Okay, so I'm going off of the long term because this current 3-day price bar is not finished. So I had to go off what is finished, and this 3-day price bar definitely looks pretty bullish. Again on the 5. Okay, so I think when you look at the market from a 5-day chart, right? When I circle this, what do you think this market is really trying to do in Lucid? To me, I still think price is trying to go higher. First target's gonna be around $8. Okay, it's gonna be my first target, 8, and then maybe like 840 on the second, and then we'll see what happens after that. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm gonna do first target like at 775. That is 9.32%. Okay, my first target. Second is gonna be 8. That's 12, almost 13% move to the upside in Lucid there. And then my third target is going to be up here towards the high on July the 11th, which is 16.69%, $8.28 there. That's it. I'm done. That fast, that simple. Anybody that takes longer than that to figure out how price is trying to move and where it's trying to go, they don't understand how the market dynamics really work. Join me. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel to get more of this simplistic content. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.